What's up, y'all? It's your boy Rye. I'm coming at y'all with another video. I'm trying to remain diligent and saying, make one of these daily trade update videos for you guys. Just talking about my day, and yeah. So today I had a pretty decent day in the market, if I do say so myself. I was able to essentially profit on every account. Yeah, for the day at least. So on this account, okay, first let me show you guys the account that I traded first. And of course, as you guessed it, if you watched the last video, it's my funded futures. So my first trade coming into 10 o'clock, I wanted shorts from the top of this balance area. Also, a run of this overnight high. So I wanted shorts from here, 5 point stop, looking to come down into balance. I took the trade, I took the trade from here, and let me see if I can turn my executions on for you guys. Because in the beginning of this, well, not really the beginning of the session, this was around 10 o'clock. I definitely was a little bit more. What the fuck? I'm not sure why it's not showing my executions, but essentially, I took it from here. I took a little $170. Let me see, a little $170 win, which wasn't bad. Yes. No, no, I'm sorry. It was a $69 win. I was mistaken. And then from there, let's see. I took off the short at the top of this balance right here. As I saw, we had like some rejections. I should have just left it. The trade fully played out. I was being a bitch. I was risking 250 risk of force, but I just wasn't having it. I tried longs from this area and I got stopped out because yeah, I had like I wish washed on my I did too hard. It was a good short. Like it was a really good short. I let overthinking take me out this trade. Should have waited a little bit longer. Uh, wouldn't even got stopped for even this trade. Because yeah, like I really anticipated it to flip long. Um, I don't I don't essentially know why. As you guys can see, um, it says black was my OG trade. Closed because I was thinking we would support on balance. We did not indeed. We supported off of the bottom of balance, I believe. Did we? Essentially, yeah. So look below and fail of balance, and then we came back, and I'll talk about that later. But yeah, so I took that loss after having that winning trade I did, which I turned my back on. And then I got a little antsy again and thought that we had to support at the bottom of balance. So I took a trade. Where did I take this trade? Yeah, I took this trade right here. At the break of this candle's high, anticipating that price would come. Anticipating that price would come and close above this half back of balance, which it did not. As you guys can clearly see, we came back, failed into it. So I was pretty much in straight drawdown from the time I jumped in this trade. Let me see. Am I correct? I know my first because I took 4 trades. Essentially, I took this first trade. Kind of got like too antsy. I cut this short. Then like 2 minutes later, I initially tried this trade right here, which got stopped short real quick. Then I tried this trade right here that got stopped relatively quick in the next like couple minutes. And then I told myself I refrained from trading any longer because I felt myself getting tilty. This was after 4 trades, I believe. It's not showing here, but I had one more trade in here. I know that for a fact. I remember it was 4 trades. I told myself I'm doing too much for this moment, and I put it away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the last one, 5. So this is me taking off the position or getting filled for TP. It was a fucking banger of a trade. Let me show you the last trade. Um, I took this on all the accounts because I liked it, and it was essentially my last trade of the day. After seeing that we failed out of balance, we came back into balance, half back, then we came supported off the bottom of balance once more, then showed us a break of candle to the upside, which is essentially what I was looking for over here. However, we stood and closed above balance, but we closed in higher in respect to this candle's high. So that's still a good sign. Still a good sign. And I definitely believe I took my trade somewhere around this area after seeing a nice close above balance. I think that's gonna be my like signal when I get a nice strong close above balance, because I don't think. But even over here, that was like a little fake out too, because that would have faked me out. Um, Essentially, would I got stopped break even? No, I wouldn't have. So yeah, um, yeah. But this like, nah, but I definitely like when it doesn't respect balance, like it doesn't like create that wick and push above balance, like it tends to like completely reject it or like excuse me, neglect it. So I think I'm gonna have to start taking that into consideration, like when it has like this strong closure, like that's how you know it's like good to I think break out of balance. But when it doesn't, like you see right here, like good entry. Let me see. Mm, mm, there you go. Okay, but that's besides the point. Let's get to this last trade. So this last trade was an absolute banger. I watched this shit fly. Like I was I mean, I act like I wasn't upset because the trade potential had a lot of potential, but I wasn't looking for it to go that high. Obviously, essentially, I wasn't trying to be too greedy. I did, however, I did squeeze a few extra points. I sure, but I didn't expect follow through like this. And compare it like I was waiting for, like, wow, look at the fucking follow through. Like nobody. I mean, I'm me personally. I'm not going for this much points, but it just goes to show that like it's possible to catch trades like that. You know what I mean? One of those fucking bangers. Because on 5 points risk, I mean, like I said, I wouldn't have been holding for that long. But even if I got to this balance area right here, and yeah, it would have been good. Because fuck. But yeah, absolute beautiful trade. You guys see, we had a nice little strong trend. I'm saying it was essentially a lockout rally to the upside. Sellers could not get an opportunity if you were a seller. I mean, if you're a buyer waiting for an opportunity on a pullback, it didn't happen. Like after a higher low here, it didn't happen. Didn't really happen. Had a little opportunity right here. Um, would I have been able to get in? Probably prematurely. Well, I don't know. Me. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I got my titties out. I'm tired. I went to sleep, but I had to wake up and do this video because you know what I mean. I had to. I'm just trying to hold myself accountable. Took a shower, came here, did this shit, doing this shit, and yeah. All right. So let's show you the Bulldogs account. So did I take a loss this morning on this shit? I don't know. I think I only took the one trade. I was scaling out. Kind of wish I didn't do that after seeing the kind of follow through and commitment that we have by the buyers. Uh, because of me scaling out, I wasn't able to get the full $500 win. It's all good. I also did take, I believe I did take a loss on this account. I think, did I? No, I didn't. I took a $300 winner. Like I said, I wasn't able to get the full TP because I was scaling in and out. I would say on like a day with less follow through, obviously I wouldn't know. That was too early. Not too early when I caught the beginning of the move, so I didn't realize there was going to be so much follow through. I didn't take any trades on this account. Um, Wish I did though, because like I said, that follow through was something else. And then this last account, like God, I was able to get a little profit on this as well. Um, didn't do my best. Yeah, I definitely would say I didn't do my best on this account because I had the initial trade for 250, risking 250, looking for $500, and I was unable to even like like remotely hold to full TP. Like I just kept seeing like half of my profits, and I'm not gonna lie, essentially I got scared. Like between and it's not even like I'm risking that much for my drawdown to affect me that much to where like it's not like I'm risking like $1,500 so that the trailing drawdown comes so high. It's only $250. I mean, it's only like about $500 that the trailing drawdown will move, so it's not that bad. But I was scaling out. Like I gotta stop being so pussy if I wanna pass this account. I would have had over uh I would have had over 51 I would have had over 51,500 had I, you know what I'm saying, just held on and got a piece of that follow through, but I didn't. I scaled out. I was being essentially pussy, but it's okay. I was protecting profits, and I once I closed out of this account and I saw that fucking lockout rally happening. As much as I wanted, like I really wish I had not closed it and just let it ride, but I didn't. So I like literally told myself I refrained from. I was still watching the charts, but I refrained from like entering a trade. I told myself this is a nice little winner. I'm sorry, this is not the trade I took. I told myself this was a nice little winner. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna beautiful add-in opportunity, which I was looking at the top of balance as I saw that we were like essentially at half back, not half back. Essentially, we were at the halfway mark of this trade. I could have scaled in a little bit. Had I scaled in, it would have been like on a fucking day like this would have been beautiful. But it's okay. Everything is in hindsight. He also supported off the previous day's close. Had that level mark. Very beautiful closure off the previous day's close. Close right above the previous day's high after we saw strong rejections there. So I think after seeing that, that was a really nice signal to get long here. Looking for the brigade ball and right over the pre-stage close. And boy, oh boy, was that a banger of a trade. So there's a lot of opportunities in the market today. I'm just grateful I got my piece of the pie. Um, yeah, I'm happy to say that I think I performed relatively well in relative to what could have happened. I could have spiraled easily. After those, like after telling myself not to take any more trades after those initial four trades, I think I did pretty well waiting some time. As you guys can see, I waited a little bit of time. How much? See if we could. I waited a little bit of time to take my next trade, which I do appreciate. What the hell? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh. Mm, mm. All right. All right. So essentially, I waited almost 30 minutes in my next trade. I didn't rush it at all. I really like. I wasn't rushing at work. I wasn't doing nothing. I told myself, yo, there's gonna be opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Don't rush it. You know what I'm saying? Do what you have to do first. Finish your little work first. Then come to it and sit down and look at the chart and see what you can find. And that's exactly what I did. And I did spot me a little, you know what I'm saying, a little banger. Like I said, I wish I had stayed for the follow through, but I did not. So it's all good. You know what I'm saying? You can only do so much. And I think I performed well today. So yeah, I didn't trade my Top Step account. Really wish I did though, but I did not. I'm playing it reserved. I'll probably trade it tomorrow. If I lose, I lose. But yeah, so I'm trying to, what I'm saying, keep it reserved, not trade too much. But I still want to like get some of these accounts done. I'm probably gonna trade this tomorrow. If I was being really conservative, I wouldn't trade it tomorrow and consider Friday rules. But I will consider Friday rules. I'm only gonna take one trade. If it's a loss, it's a loss. I'm not gonna let myself spiral. I want to have some profits for next week. So God willing, I can continue to stack on this account and see if I can get this passed. This one, I'm for surely probably gonna trade it tomorrow, and this one, probably gonna trade. Well, yeah, probably gonna. I'll probably trade damn near every account tomorrow. We'll see. Depending on the market, how I feel in the market. But yeah, so today was definitely a smooth little day. Grateful I was able to get the little wins and able to contain myself for a little bit of profit. Um, yeah, man. You know what I mean? We here, we doing it. You know what I'm saying? $240 on week 3. See what we could do Friday. I just gotta be patient. That's really it. Like patience really, really wins, bro. Like so, about that my second profitable week in a row on this account, which I never had before. God willing, like, I never had 2 profitable weeks back to back. You know what I'm saying? Never had it, so I'm pretty grateful. Didn't have the best amount of trades. Like I said, I scaled out, and this on this day I did risk 500 per trade, and then I slowed that down. I only started risking 250 per trade after seeing some of that profit, just because I've never passed one of these accounts, and I'd be getting scary. So yeah, that's my logic. Um, see the last account. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Showed you guys all the accounts. Did I show you my from the futures? No, so this was a scale out win. I bought the long. Let me see. Long 58.93. I know I got in on my other accounts around the what was this 5900 level for surely because I remember seeing that and thinking, oh yeah, that's a nice big figure level. We like that, but yeah. So am I mistaken? Yeah, so I got it. So I was mistaken on my Bullnox accounts. I actually got in at the 900 levels. I know that because I remember that. And so I like the support here, and I like the support at the 900 levels. I like the support at the top of balance, so I took it. I remember that. So yeah, so I didn't take the. This is like where the initial trade started on what's it called? On my funded futures, right? Yeah, 50. Because it said I'm just breaking it down for you guys. You know what I mean? Um, yeah. So 73. Yeah. So my funded futures started off here at the halfback of balance, and then my other accounts I got in here. So I wish I got in on all my accounts here. It's a nice trade, but it's okay. I didn't. Tomorrow's a new day. Yup. What else is there to say? What else is there to say? Shit. I think that's about it, y'all. I think that's about it, man. You know what I mean? So I'm satisfied with today. Yeah. So it was a 7. Like I said, I left some runners. Was able to get an extra $200 profit. So I think that was pretty good. Wish I had left a little bit more so I could try and get myself out of more of this drawdown, but beggars can't be choosers. First winning day on this damn account. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been straight getting cooked up on the My Funded Futures account. Not necessarily stressing it. I just know I gotta, excuse me, I just know I gotta work on my ideas a little bit better. I'm trying to show you guys. What the fuck? Why is it not showing me the other account on there? Okay. Okay. So as you guys see, and I still win. I took like I told you guys, I took a little loss prior, but I was still able to make $547 in the day, and I left a little runner, so I was able to, you know what I'm saying, eat up a little bit more Jordan. But we're gonna keep playing this account slow, only 250 risk. I really should drop the risk down even more, but I'm not. It is what it is. If I blow this account, I am gonna try and play it smart though, because there's no sense in wasting the $60. I'm gonna try and trade this for as long as possible, even in drawdown. Because as much as like we don't like it, trading in drawdown is a skill. You know what I mean? So yeah, these days weren't skillful. This day was skillful. Like I was able to contain the risk, but boom and boom, nah. So we're gonna see what we could do. Yeah, guys, I think that's about it. I'm finna go to sleep because I am tired. Damn, I have a crazy little crusty booger note. Oh my goodness. Yeah, guys, I think that's it for tonight, man. I'll get back to you tomorrow with my little weekly update video. I don't even essentially need to make it because I've been, you know what I'm saying, I've been talking to you guys every single day. I'm saying you guys, but ain't nobody right now, but it's okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm still here, I'm still doing what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? I'm still at this fucking camera talking to myself. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn, you know what I mean? So we here, we do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I hope you keep it moving and grooving and keep it beautiful, pushing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I fucked that up entirely. I hope you guys keep it moving and grooving. I hope you guys keep it positive and fuck. I'm fucking up today on the outro, y'all. But essentially, I just hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. Hope you guys get that money. You know what I'm saying? It's all about progression. And as you can see, we slowly progressing. You know what I'm saying? We soon, you know what I'm saying, God willing, we soon pass a little time. We soon get some payouts. We soon get about this, you know what I'm saying, little situation again at this fucking job. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna get this capital. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna play our time in this market. We're gonna do it right, risk management, and we just gonna take the best trades we see. And that's a fact. That's what we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? You and me, bro. You and me, bro. We're gonna pass. We're gonna get through this. Bro. That's a fact. You understand what I'm saying? So I hope you guys had a beautiful, wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys keep it moving and grooving and keep it pushing. You understand? Word. Have a good day.